My name is Lisa Griffin. I work for Access Manufacturing Systems, and my primary role is to sell Mark-forged 3D printers. My background in 18 years has been selling all different additive solutions to companies, primarily for prototyping, but Mark-forged lets you prototype as well as build tooling, fixtures, and usable parts. So that's really where I focus my time, is trying to find the application that you're using the printer for, and then selling the right printer for that job. We start at a very low end, I guess, printer, around $5,000. It allows you to print parts that have living hinges like this, as you can see. Has great text, knurling. It's a functioning tool. It holds a device for an end effector, which is robotic picking and placing. Mark-forged is known for printing as well as making the material and building the software that runs all of their printers. They have a product that's called Onyx. This is a nylon 6 material. It has chopped carbon fiber in it. It has some flex, but when you reinforce a carbon fiber part or an Onyx part with Kevlar, you now have a part or continuous carbon fiber, which is this black strand you probably can't see. But basically what we're doing is internally in the part, we're adding fibers so that it makes it a strong part. When we do that, it makes it as strong as aluminum, so you can't move or break this brake.